Okay, cool, we got it. Alright, I'm recording right now. And this is your typical night out here in the rain stopped. It was raining pretty good. I don't know if the light ruin it. Anyways, it was raining just now. I don't know if you guys can see out here. This is your typical night in Puna out here. And there's a chicken house over there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Everything's in wire. You can hear the rain probably now. Did that do anything? No. See, I'm trying to get underneath the house with no light. Anyways, you can probably hear the rain now. You see a typical night out where we're at. There's my little barbecue. Chairs we're in that Chelsea Cars right now. It's kind of like trashy with all our soft countries everywhere. At least you can hear the rain going. For sure, and I can just see the other house over there. It's your neighbor's house, and you can't see how it doesn't look like you can. You can hear the rain, I'm sure. There's the rain coming down. Like, you can't see it, but I'm sure you guys can hear it. You know, cameras aren't as good as the eyes. Alright, so we keep going. So the house here. There's our little picture. There's a little bed over there. So I don't think the camera adjusts too well. Let's go up and see from there. So, it's just a video. Hear the rain. Watching Big Lebowski in the rain. There's this right bear out.